Hello friends, Bollywood team is here at IFA Awards Green Carpet 2017. It has been an eventful day for us, not very easy in terms of getting content for you because things were not as organized as one would have wanted, or maybe the way we experienced with a lot of other teams that we work in. But nevertheless, the challenge was getting good content. We've tried our best and we've managed to get good content for us. There were many wonderful moments tonight, but I personally feel the moment when Shahid Kapoor and Meera Rajput, they came together and spoke to us. I think that was definitely very, very special. There were many, many more interesting and wonderful celebrities like Anil Kapoor Saab, Sunil Shetty ji. Taapsee was a bundle of energy. There was Disha Patni who looked lovely. A.R. Rahman Saab, it was really a pleasure and honor to speak to A.R. Rahman Saab. Alia Bhatt, it was wonderful speaking to her. She was extremely gracious. Sonakshi Sinha, she was extremely gracious and she spoke to us and it was wonderful talking to her. So let's bring you the highlights. Let's bring you the wonderful moments from this IFA Awards 2017, and I hope that you enjoy it.
What should we expect on the big night?
Lots of fun, lots of entertainment. The awards will go to the right and most deserving people, and just have fun with us.
Are you done with the performance? Are you looking forward to it?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to my performance. I hope that it turns out right.
You're the best. Did you get any time to explore the city?
No, not really. I've just been working since the time I've been here. So I just shot for a small cameo for Shooting on IFA. They're doing a film on IFA, so I did that. In fact, we're just shooting right now. And I was here at IFA around yesterday.
But everyone says that New York is just like Mumbai. Do you believe so?
I believe so.
Before you. Assalamu alaikum. कैसे हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ जी, आप
Imran
कैसे
bhai,
हैं?
we're very excited to have you in New York. You're the lifeline and the heart of IFA.
Thank you. Thank you.
much
Appreciate it.
pleasure.
But that's not entirely true. There are a lot of very talented performers and big artists performing here. So it's just the whole team. The whole team is incredible.
What should we expect from Tiger Zindaya?
Ji.
You're going to be doing something a little bit.
Yeah, I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm going to Morocco to shoot Tiger Zindaya. जी जी मैसेज ये कि बहुत ही अच्छा स्वागत हुआ मेरा वहाँ पर. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
भाईजान एक brief
Next
के लिए
time.
एक बाइट में
वो नहीं कर सकता. Thank you.
You rock, Salman!
You guys are looking great together. Yeah, actually, we were caught up a lot. Shabana ji was there. I couldn't have said no to Shabana ji. You guys are looking great together.
Thank you.
I must tell you that I've told you many times that life may settle jana mangta hai. Quite a few times. We've had a lot of discussions, and it's wonderful to see you guys just sticking out together. How's been the entire rehearsal as far as him is concerned for IFA tonight?
I think Shahid is a born dancer. He really doesn't need many rehearsals. But I've been seeing his footage and I'm so excited. I think everyone is going to be very, very surprised and extremely satisfied with what he's going to show you.
You know, you've said many times that when you're working on anything whatsoever, be it like a dance performance, be it your acting, you get totally immersed into it. How much important is the fact that she gives you a hell lot of space and just get into your creative zone?
I think yeah, space is important, but I think participation is also important. You know, you want the person you're spending your life with to understand what you do and to understand who you are and why you do what you do and why you do it the way that you do. And so it's been a journey of 2 years understanding between each other how that gets to happen. And she's been pretty patient with me. I'm not the easiest guy to deal with.
I think you see me with Shahid all the time. So that's a while away, I think.
And all the pictures of you and Misha together, I think that they are simply adorable. How important is your daughter in your life?
The most important thing in my life, in our life, I would say.
Yeah.
How has she changed you?
Every day she changes us in many ways. It's very difficult to explain. The one thing I permanently feel now is I feel like I think about her before I think about myself, and that's new for me. You know, one tends to think about oneself first usually, and that's a big change that's happened in my life, and I'm very happy about it.
She has said in an interview that maybe she wants one more baby.
Yeah, of course. She calls the shots. She has to do all the work. So
Thank you. How are you? बहुत बढ़िया. You're looking amazing right now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Baji.
I'm going to be leaving. I just
Stop to say hi to you. That's all. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. And I stopped to say hi to for hi. Thanks. लो जी लो भैन लो. अब मैं आ गया. बॉलीवुड हंगामा का मैं फ़ैन हूँ जी, और पाजी के साथ जितने भी मैंने इंटरव्यू किए हैं बहुत ही अच्छे हुए हैं, और पाजी को देख के मन खुश हो गया. वाहिगुरु. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. की करना दसो क्या करूँ? अच्छा, मैं अंग्रेजी हाँ डांस करना. मैं आज डांस कर रहा हूँ. मैं कर रहा हूँ आज हमारा एक गाना शूट हो रहा है, जो फिल्म शूट हो रही है जहाँ उसका आज गाना है. स्टेज पे मैं डांस कर रहा हूँ आज.
कुछ उस फिल्म के बारे में बताना चाहेंगे आप?
वाशु बगनानी जी ने प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं. इतना ही बाजी बता, वो मेरे मुंह से निकल जाएगा कुछ. थैंक यू.
लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सलमान खान परफॉर्मेंस.
जी हाँ, वो तो सबको देखनी है बाजी. थैंक यू सो मच. मैं कम ही कर रहे हैं जी. हाँ जी.
Can you please sing a couple of lines if possible, please?
Do you know मैं तेनू कितना प्यार करदा. Thanks bro.
We have with us very, very dashing Arman Malik here at IFA New York Play, having you back on Bollywood first of all.
I am always glad to be back on Bollywood Hangama with my favorite guy Faridun Shahriyar.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you. Okay, I think you're looking more like a hero than like a singer.
मैं हूँ hero तेरा, of course.
When are you making a debut, bro?
In acting?
Yeah, absolutely.
I don't feel the need to do that. I don't know.
You've said that before.
Yeah.
You've discussed that.
I love singing. I love music, and I can be a hero in my own field. I feel. So yeah. Why can't there be a good-looking singer, great-looking singer?
Right. And I believe Salman Khan went on stage today and he sang "Main Hoon Hera Tera." How does it feel when he does that each time?
Awesome, because I think he took the song a notch higher. It's his fans really wanted to see him sing, and you know, "Main Hoon Hero Tera" is synonymous with Salman Khan and me as well.
When are you singing for Salman Khan next?
Hope he calls me for a song soon. Whenever he calls me, I'll always be there for him.
Right. You came with your father today. How important is it for you?
Definitely, it's very important because this is the first time that, you know, as a family we have attended IFA, and the first time that I'm nominated at IFA. So it feels great to have got a dad along with me, mom along with me, and you know, share this awesome moment with them.
Okay, and what are your forthcoming songs? Could you please tell us at least the name of the movies or the ones that you are excited about?
Well, Mubaraka, I sang the Goggle song, which just recently came out. A few other songs are coming out from Tiger's movies, forthcoming movies. Just doing some. No, not Munna Michael. There's another one which is coming out. 3-4 songs, really interesting songs this year. 2 important singles that I'm working on. One with my dad. We're working on a single which he's composed and I've sung.
Oh, okay.
That's still in.
That's a melody?
Yeah, that's a melodious song. Yeah.
Okay.
Dad is a melodious composer, so yeah, we're planning to do a single like that, and another single which I'm not too sure about, but I think the non-film space is really picking up. So I want to grow that aspect of me as a singer and a musician very a lot. So.
And can we have मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा please from you?
Okay. खुद से नाराज हूँ क्यों बेआवाज हूँ मेरी खामोशियाँ है सजा दिल है ही सोचता फिर भी नहीं पता किस हक से कहूँ बता कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा हाँ मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा
That's beautiful. He has got a beautiful voice. Thank you, man. Thank you for finding time and all the best wishes.
To all the people watching and keep listening to my music. Take care.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Good night. Hi, you're looking amazing tonight. Who are you wearing tonight?
For Falcon and Shane Peacock.
Okay, and you're having I think a very interesting lineup of movies that you've just signed recently.
Yeah. No, nothing. No. Nothing. I don't know about Students of the Year, but yeah, I'm doing Baghi.
Baghi, will be first time teaming up with guys. Would there be a sort of comfort zone with him considering you guys are?
Yeah, of course. We are very amazing. We are very good friends. So of course, I'm very comfortable with him. I've done an album with him. We like dancing, so I'm really looking forward.
On Bollywood Hungama, you are hugely popular because of your social media posts. It is something that.
You are popular. People want to see you. People don't want to see me.
I'm talking about my team actually. They are very excited about that. Whenever Disha Patni has posted something on Instagram, and this is something that is going to break the internet. What do you have to say about this entire internet phenomenon that you've been in terms of your Instagram posts and other phenomenons?
I've been very lucky. I've just done one film in Bollywood and I'm getting so much love. I think I'm blessed and I just want to do good work. I want to give love back through my work. So that's what I want to do.
And Pune, your performance was appreciated big time. And now, how does it feel that as an actress in your first film you have been appreciated and you're not portraying, you have this glamorous image, but you're portraying in something which is not glamour per se, but more of as a performer. Is it a satisfying debut for you?
Yeah, that's what I was looking for. When I was looking for a right film for the launch, I wanted to be an actor before anything because, I have a different personality and everybody is different. But I think when you come on screen, you should become the character. So that's what I wanted and somehow I achieved maybe 5-10%. I'm happy about it. And yeah.
I recently interviewed Ranbir Kapoor and I asked him that who are the hottest actresses that he can look forward to, and he had Disha Patni as one of the prime ones.
I love him. He used to be my biggest crush when I was in school, and I had a gang of girls and we all used to love him. So it's wow, yes.
Girls, follow your makeup style. I'm really sorry about that. You're having some amazing, I think, blue on your eyes right now. How important is it? Is the makeup for any woman to look good?
I don't do this. I have a guy doing this. He's not here right now. He's gone inside, so I don't do anything. I have a perfect man. He knows everything. He does everything for me. But makeup, my personal style of makeup is not too much. I like keeping it simple. But of course, when I come for the red carpet, I need to look presentable.
You're looking amazing.
Thank you.
Disha, how does it feel? With Baghi 2, the entire focus would be on you and Tyler coming together rather than the story and the script.
Because they don't know the story right now. Once the film comes out, then they'll focus on the story.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
मैं आप भी सूफी वो भी सूफी.
नहीं, हम लोगों ने बहुत वर्ल्ड टूर किए हैं रहमान के साथ. मेरे करियर की बिगिनिंग से हमने 5-7 साल लगातार शोज़ किए पूरे वर्ल्ड में. तो हम तो पागल हो चुके थे जी इनके साथ शो करके. बाद में धीरे धीरे क्योंकि हमारा भी बैंड कैलासा बहुत बड़ा बनता गया और बिज़ी होता गया, तो इसके लिए हम लोग काफ़ी बिज़ी होते गए. और फिर धीरे धीरे थोड़ा ज़रा जैसे बड़ा भाई अपना कर रहा है, छोटा भाई अपना कर रहा है, ऐसे होता गया. लेकिन रहमान जो हैं वो खुदा के बंदे हैं और हम जो हैं वो अल्लाह के बंदे हैं. तो दोनों भाई हैं, तो जहाँ भी मिल जाते हैं फिर और जुगत बन जाती है और संगत बन जाती है. ऐसा हुआ है. तो लगभग 7-8 साल के बाद फिर से हमने गाया एक स्टेज पर साथ में. तो बहुत ही बड़ी, और ये एक्सटेम्पोर था, जो मंगल था, ये कोई प्लानिंग में नहीं था. तो अचानक उन्होंने माइक पे बोल दिया, कैलाश लेट्स डू मंगल, लेट्स रिकलेक्ट ओल्ड मेमोरीज. एंड हमने बोला हाँ सर, जो आप बोलोगे. तो हमारे लिए क्या है, देखिए रिहर्सल ऑर्गेनाइज करना और प्रैक्टिस करना ये तो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन नियमों के बाहर भी एक दुनिया है जो दिल की दुनिया है, और दिलों की दुनिया के लिए नियम कानून नहीं होते, इंटेलिजेंस नहीं होती। तो अचानक उन्होंने बोला और हमने शुरू हो गए मंगला 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 हो।
Just speaking to Kailash Kher a short while back, and it's a spiritual journey that you were on yesterday. Please tell us the experience.
Yesterday was terrifying because it was raining and we didn't know whether it was going to happen. We got a symphonic orchestra there sitting, but I think it went very well against all odds, and some of the console broke, and then they had to reassign the voices, but it was exciting,
So
when you just revisit,
yeah.
And we have been constantly playing your music for years.
Thank you.
The only question to you is consistency. How do you maintain this consistency?
I try to find a reason to compose, and I think there are many reasons now. Giving back, and also music is a kind of a symbol of unity. And
you said in the beginning.
Did I say that?
You said something in the beginning.
Okay. Sorry?
Will you do something with Karan Johar?
I don't know. You have to ask him.
Samir Khan ka dost.
Yeah, how are you?
Rahman sir, one last question to you. Sir, when you look back at the entire, so many songs from various eras that was played yesterday of yours, how do you look back at the entire emotional journey for you? How emotional is the journey for you?
For me, I treat every song as my favorite song. It's like my child. And so there's no, this song is better than that song. If something is not good enough, we try to put enough energy in it to make it great. So what it appears outside is a different question. For me, I treat everything as the same.
You were felicitated yesterday as well. Shabana Azmi ji, I think she said amazing stuff in Urdu yesterday. And how important is that felicitation for you, 25 years of your wonderful journey?
I think I'm blessed, and I feel sometimes worthless. I'm finding reasons to sustain and to this interest, and I get inspired by good people and kindness and love.
This is Rahman and you're listening to 8.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, what's the idea? Because you are looking completely different yesterday and you're looking completely different today.
वही आइडिया है, आप सही पकड़े हैं.
लेकिन बहुत ही अलग आप लग रहे हो. Maybe I think it's very difficult. Even in terms of your hair, they were totally different.
Original है.
कल कुछ different था. Okay, we are not getting to that.
कल original बंधे हुए थे.
Okay. So are you looking for the night Pink is maybe celebrated?
जीते. पता नहीं कितने जीतेंगे, that's not the matter. What I'm really proud of is that I am a part of this change called in the Bollywood industry where the females are really turning heads now. So I think I'm going to celebrate that. Win it or no, that is not going to affect my mood or my choices in the future. The fact I'm part of this revolutionary change in Bollywood, I'm just excited about that. And Pink has been received so well. It has been the underdog and suddenly like catching so much of attention all over the world. So yeah, I'm just here to celebrate my film.
You've just had a scene with Salman Khan for Judwaa 2. How was the experience for doing that?
अरे I'm just feeling under pressure कि सारे लगता है पूरी जुड़वा 2 में इसी की वेट करेंगे कि सलमान सर का सीन कब आएगा. मतलब उस प्रेशर में अब तो हम लोग इतना लोगों ने आई थिंक एक ऑथेंटिफिकेशन का जो स्टैम्प होता है ना वो लग चुका है जुड़वा 2 पे, क्योंकि नाउ द ओरिजिनल जुड़वा के जो स्टार हैं वो अब इसमें हैं. सो यू विल सी हिम डूइंग अ वेरी क्यूट सीन. So you should wait till the end of the film to see that scene.
Okay, an experience of working with Varun and David G. David, I think he's a wonderful person.
Oh, yeah, my second film with him. He launched me in Hindi. So yeah, तो वो तो same ही है. But Varun के साथ, I mean, it was damn good fun. Yeah, I mean, Varun, Jackie, all three of us. I think the energy that was there on the set ना, hyper active energy, वो तीनों के साथ मिलके मतलब crazy होती थी. जो आपको entertainment on screen दिखेगा ना, it's actually same जो off screen हो रहा था वो almost same ही था. तो वो जो मैंने 6 महीने बिताए हैं अप्रैल से लेके अब जो सितंबर तक होने वाला है, सिर्फ जुड़वा के लिए रखा था, क्योंकि मेरी आफ्टर ये दो बैक टू बैक हार्ड हिटिंग फिल्म्स के बाद ना मुझे थोड़ा सा रिलैक्सेशन चाहिए था. तो ये मेरे लिए परफेक्ट रिलैक्सेशन. आई फील लाइक अ ग्लैमरस बॉलीवुड हीरोइन नाउ.
Your birthday is approaching. What's your plan like?
I hope I get a free date because I would like to go and travel if I get a free date. That's my perfect birthday gift to myself.
Enjoy.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much. Hi Shilpa, you're looking amazing right now. Okay, looking forward to the night tonight?
Yes, if I go in.
Okay, whose performance are you looking forward to?
Looking forward to Alia's performance, Katrina, even Varun. Yeah, they're very good dancers.
In terms of best actress and best actor, do you have any preference?
I think Alia definitely deserves it. For whatever work she's done, she's excelled. She really likes to outdo herself, I feel, in every movie, taking these very risky roles. Even Shahid, I think he's a great actor. Yeah.
Any plans of you turning back into acting? We've been discussing that for quite some time.
Soon. I have been offered something. Let's see if I bite the bait. Thank you. Thank you
very much. Thanks a lot. Sonu, you are looking amazing right now. What are you doing in terms of your fitness regimen, first of all, please?
I think early morning runs at 3:34 in the morning. I've been doing for past 3 days. I was always looking forward coming to New York, and at Times Square, when you run at 4 a.m. in the morning with empty roads, that's the best part. Faridun, you have to try it. I know you're fit, but you have to try this. Ji. I won't comment on who is going to be the lady, but we are almost on the final stages of locking the script, and hopefully when I go back to India, if wishes were horses, beggars would ride, I would say, but just like I said, as a true producer to my profession, I've been working really hard on the script, so I'm definitely going to approach all the actors I feel who actually truly deserve to be part of it, and whoever can justify the role, I'm sure you'll see them on screen. I have to hear the final script, but yeah, hopefully yes. I'm sorry? Sorry? I think I just want to work hard. Results are in no one's hands. But this is something new to my life. I've learned my lessons. I'm still learning a lot. But I'm sure as long as you're true to your profession as a producer, the film looks good. Yeah, Punjabi film, I've already okayed a script as a producer, which I'm not acting, but someone else we are talking to. But like I said, I want to produce film in all the languages because I've worked in all the languages. So hopefully, I know this is a dream of a boy who came from a very small town, but yeah, miles to go. The journey is on.
Could you please briefly talk about your diet pattern? What's your diet like?
फरीदुन, हमारे प्रोफेशन में बोला जाता है कि रोटी कमाने के लिए भूखा रहना पड़ता है, वही है, तो भूखा रहना पड़ता है, सुबह दौड़ना पड़ता है, बट आई वुड से आई एम अ वेजिटेरियन, आई ईट वेरी हेल्दी, आई डोंट चीट, देयर आर नो चीट डेज, बट बोलते हैं कि एक फिल्म के लिए अगर आपने 6 पैक्स बनाए या फिट हुए, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, इट हैज़ टू बी पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, लाइक it has to come automatically when you get up in the morning and you brush your teeth. So it's like that, I get up in the morning, I have to run, go to the gym, do that thing. So I think that makes me.
How many portions you have in terms of how many times do you eat in a day, maybe, or if you can tell us what you eat?
5 to 6 times, but all healthy. I don't eat junk food.
What all do you eat?
I'm more on salads. Egg whites I have something, but I don't eat bread or rotis or dal. Sometimes I have it being a Punjabi, but like I said, I stay away from oil. Thank you so much for the Ji. Of course, PV Sindhu has to be there in the film. She will be there. Thank you so much, brother.
Hi. Thank you so much. I'm very excited. Yeah.
Which is your personal favorite out of the two that she's nominated for?
No, I can't say because both are very, very different films. So you can't say. I think you can just say that she's done a great job, a very total job in both the movies. Yeah. Sorry? It's not happening right now because I'm so busy acting that I have no time. So.
Ma'am, how do you look at her evolution as an actress? Because she's going from strength to strength. Each time we think that she has surprised us, and she comes up with something totally else. And the way she is just deviating in terms of mixing the commercial aspect as well as the artistic aspect. And there's a very interesting mix as well. How do you look at this aspect, being an artist yourself?
I think she's extremely talented. She's got a head on the shoulders, and she has a ability to choose very interesting scripts. Whether they do well or not, the point is she's getting interesting roles. and she's being able to shine in those roles. So I think she's doing very well for herself, and she should continue doing what she's doing. And I wish her all the best because what can I say? She's surprised all of us actually.
Being a parent, when personally in media, when we look at her, that she's very chilled out and she's respectful towards everyone. How important has been the fact that her feet are totally grounded and she takes herself lightly. I think somewhere as an artist who's doing so well so early, do you feel that taking herself lightly and having a good sense of humor is very important?
I don't think she takes herself lightly, but
she has a good sense of
what's very important is she doesn't take herself too seriously, and she takes her work seriously, but it does, again, not too seriously. So you have to keep that perspective. It's very difficult. Honestly, it's very difficult. And frankly, as a mother, I don't know how she does it, because if I look at her and if I put myself in her place, I don't know if I would have been able to do it. So I admire that. I think it's a great quality. And I hope she just keeps it, you know, it's important. It's very important in this business.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thanks. That's a beautiful Alia Bhatt here on Bollywood Hungama. Alia, pleasure having you on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so much, Faridun. I'm finally meeting you and talking to you. You've been here lurking around and I've not really had a word with you.
Thank you so much, and thank you for talking to us as well. We just spoke to your mother, and as I was speaking to her, I felt as if I'm talking to you, because you guys have similar sort of the way you laugh, expressions in many ways. She's extremely excited. How do you feel towards her as well right now?
Honestly, it's her first time in New York, so I'm really excited that she's here with me watching the show, and I saw her from the stage when I was performing as well, and it always gives me that extra energy that I need.
Right.
And it's always great. My aunt is here with me as well.
Oh, great.
So yeah, it's a nice family affair.
Okay, and you're having 2 nominations. She's very excited about Udta Punjab. All the nominations. It's very difficult for her per se to just pick anyone. What about you? Do you have favorites out of the 3 performances?
I cannot. These are my films, so it's very difficult for me to choose between my films. But I don't know. I'm not thinking about that. I'm just really honestly relieved my performance is over, because I was more stressed about that. Now that is over, I can sit and I can enjoy everybody else.
What are the songs that you performed on?
Tanna Tama Tama, Badik Dulhania, Chul, Let's Nacho, Radha, Disco.
Right.
Saturday, you name it. I did all of it.
Recently spoke to Ranbir Kapoor, and he said that he's very excited about Ayan's film with you guys, and even Mr. Bachchan. Are you looking forward to it?
Of course, I'm looking forward to it. I think it's going to be an incredible.
Nothing.
It's going to be an incredible journey, and it's going to be a really interesting, adventurous space to be in, and I can't wait.
Okay, and. When I speak to WhatsApp as well, you have a very adoring mother, but at the same time, I personally feel that this is just a perception that you have 2 mothers, because your father is as good as a mother as well, because he speaks about your performance in a very subtle manner, and he's totally into it, and he's very anxious about it as well.
I think the best thing about my parents is like that they're both my friends, and they're both also my parents. So and it's a perfect balance, and they both have like my father gives me my willpower, my mother gives me that understanding sort of nature that she has. So I think they both balance me out beautifully.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Can we please start from here? Sonakshi, can you... We have the lady in red, Sonakshi Sinha, here in IFA, New York. Sonakshi, pleasure having you on Bollywood Hungama first of all.
Thank you, Faridun. Always a pleasure to be here.
Thank you very much. And I believe, I think the very interesting part is that Sonakshi is actually shooting for a movie at IFA, which is very interesting. Could you please tell us something about that, Sonakshi?
Well, I think it's such a first of a kind experience, even for me. Witchcraft and Vasuji are finally making a film which revolves around IFA, and in fact, we did our first live performance, Diljit and me, on stage in front of the New York City crowd, and it was fantastic. And I don't think any film has been shot in this way before, so it's really exciting because it's such a new experience for everyone.
Absolutely. So when is this movie going to get released, and could you please tell us any
You're always in a hurry.
No, but at least because
this is
something
actually
like
our first schedule. This is like our 5th day of shoot, so hold your horses. When we have all the details for you, we'll definitely let you know and let you know as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you. One last question. And any performances that you really enjoyed tonight?
I haven't seen any. I'm going now to sit in the audience, and hopefully I'll be able to catch a few. I want to watch Varun. I missed Alia's. I want to watch Salman's performance. Of course, yes. I'm going to quickly run to the audience and go and sit down.
Thank you very much. Thanks for talking to us. Thank you so much.
How are you? Very good. How are you, sir?
क्या हाल है बाबूजी?
बस बहुत बढ़िया, आप कैसे हैं? You look amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
This way tonight.
Sorry? Who? I only root for myself. Rooting for Mubaraka.
Okay, sir. How's the feeling so far?
I've just come here for. I've just come here for exactly, I think almost 38 to 40 hours. Yeah, I'm flying back tomorrow because for the promotion of Mubaraka, and because I have a family relationship with Colors and IFA, so I had to come, leave all of them and come here for 48 hours exactly.
Enjoying Mubaraka promotion, sir?
Oh yeah, I'm loving it. What about you?
Absolutely.
All the interviews came out very well, huh?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're wonderful. Absolutely. Anything else? Sorry? Oh, I loved working with Arjuna. Film is releasing on 20th July. So you see it and see what do you feel about it? How our chemistry is working. I need a feedback from you all. Feedback.
What's the message for all your children? I've been hearing rumors that apparently Arjun is on the edit table and he's cutting fat. What would you like to say on that?
I'll cut him. Hello, bolo, kitne घंटे? 3 घंटे यहाँ खड़ा। बोलो।
So, how does it feel? As I told you earlier that you've shot a Slumdog Millionaire. You're a huge star over here yourself.
Yeah.
How the vibe is when you come to US?
America is always, encourages a lot of talent, and for people from all over the world can come here, and it's a country of opportunity, and especially for in any field. It might be an actor, it might be a businessman, or anything you want to do. It's a great country for people, and for hundreds of years people have come from all over the world and either been settled or become Americans, and so it's a unique country, and a country of opportunity.
So people out here, they've been saying that when do we see Anil Kapoor back in Hollywood? Several people have been saying.
Well, I think I got a very positive feedback today in the morning. I got an email, and hopefully by next year I think I would start really something big.
So you shot a pilot episode?
Episode, yeah. So that's what I said. So fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I think as soon as I go back, we still, the contracts and all are done, because all these contracts it has to be a 3-way contract, because it's produced, 20th Century Fox is my partner. I did 24, so all these things are now, everything is done, everything is on paper. So hopefully, this year I think I'll start shooting next year, but I think everything will be locked this year. Modern Family, no.
24 season 3?
Season 3, yes, yeah. Season 3 is going to happen. Yeah.
Sonam and Rhea, they're coming together for Veere the Wedding. What's your feelings?
This is going to be an exciting film. Yeah, it's very exciting, because Rhea has made Aisha, then she made Khoobsurat. She's the only girl actually who's making women-oriented, girls-oriented. It's girls-oriented, not women-oriented. Girls-oriented film. There's a difference between woman-oriented and girls-oriented. So she really makes films which are girls-oriented and which are fun films, and which today's teenagers of India, girls especially, can identify with, and aspirational films, fun films, and Veere the Wedding is going to be a special film. Yeah. I'm dying to do it. Dying.
Say hi to your Houston fans, sir.
Hello, Houston. Houston coming, calling Anil Kapoor, calling.
Always shake.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hi. Faridun. You're looking amazing. Both of you. Okay, we have with us Bipasha and Karan on Bollywood Hungama. Pleasure having you guys in IFA first of all. Both of you are looking simply amazing. Who all are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a Gaurav Gupta gown.
And this is Nivedita Sabu.
Okay. And how's your health first of all?
Oh my God. It's good. Now my eyes look balanced. I can show you pictures. You'll be like, you'll say, who is this? I had to actually take some steroid tablets today to subside my inflammation on my right eye.
Every 1 hour.
Entire, like from yesterday, I started putting drops every 1 hour, steroid drops in my right eye. Oh, it was crazy. I don't know what happened.
It's okay now, it's better.
They were like hives.
Yeah.
All right, and looking forward to the night tonight?
Yeah. It's been amazing. The fans are amazing outside. That's the best part of every IFA. And yes, and people, the media from all around the world has been wonderful. And now our dear friends are going to be performing, and lots of them are going to win awards, and we are here to cheer for them.
Okay, when can we see you guys working together?
First, we are going to be working separately. Yeah. That's going to begin at least, and then together. There is something that every time I say something, that's something I chuck it, and we change the the kind of story that I want to do. There's something that we are really working on, which is very interesting, very different. So I'm not going to tell you, Faridun, right now because I don't want to jinx it. It's almost done, yeah.
What about you, sir?
I have a film that starts shooting in August now. I think it should release by the end of the year. It's a thriller again, so yeah, it should be fun.
Congratulations and all the best. Have a great night. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. My friend. Sorry. Are you looking forward to like a nomination and an award tonight?
I am looking forward to win.
You're looking forward to winning?
Hell yeah.
Definitely you should be winning as well. Do you think that national...
against the king, man. Come on. I'm the underdog. If I win, good. If I lose, I lost to the king.
We spoke about...
I think that it's always hard to be part of a film that doesn't do well. Everyone, put their best foot forward while making it. But I think you have to accept when there's criticism, and you have to try to work on the things that you are criticized for. So perhaps I had been a little lackadaisical about not learning Hindi the way that I should. And ever since the film, I've been really working on it. I've been going to classes. So I think that you should take all kind of criticism in your stride and really try to grow from it, as opposed to shutting it out and pretending that it doesn't exist.
What are you doing next, bro?
Padmavati is next, November 18th. I'm really excited about that one.
What are you doing in Padmavati?
I can't tell you.
How's the experience of working with
Mr. Bhansali?
One sec, guys, one sec.
The same question.
No, one sec. He is a taskmaster, and that's what I like about him. I like being pushed to try to do the best that you possibly can.
And what about Deepika, Ranveer and Shahid?
I don't really have many scenes with Deepika, but I'm really enjoying working with Ranveer. I think he's a great co-actor, really alive, really fresh, really active. I feel like we are organically figuring the scene out when I'm acting with him, which I love. Well, I can't tell you now, can I? No, I'm not going to.
You're a stage
a film like that in a ranch, which received a lot of...
La 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 la!
It was a very good film. But when it comes to release, if it gets a limited release, how do you look at it? Because a film like this...
What to do? If you have any solutions, tell me. I don't have any.
It's lovely watching you perform yesterday. Yeah?
Thanks.
Okay, so how was the experience of just performing, especially O Jana? So many fans you have, and they just loved all your songs.
It was amazing yesterday, especially Hero when I came down. That was lovely. Yeah, it was amazing.
Okay, and.
The bond is from before I started singing also, so I've known him for many years. And for me, what we discussed, O Jani Jana, when I sang it yesterday, it brought back so many memories. Yeah, it was amazing.
Can you sing 2 lines, please?
ओ जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना सनम. Got the moment. So it could be a film, it could be an album, we don't know.
amazing actually. All right, we have with us Kriti Saran looking amazingly lovely right now at IFA Awards. Pleasure having you on board first of all.
Thank you so much.
You're looking outstandingly, amazingly amazing. What have you worn today?
I'm wearing Roberto Cavalli. Okay. Yeah, so that's a golden mermaid kind of a gown.
Okay, and how's your health now?
It's fine. No. I was just rehearsing and I had not eaten much. Right. So I was feeling a little weak because of that. But now I'm fine.
The performance was outstanding. People have been raving about it. You enjoyed it?
You liked it?
I have not seen it, but I've heard a lot of people just raving about it.
I hope it went well. Yeah, once you perform, when you're on stage, you don't really realize much. You're just out there and you're giving your best. Right. But I hope it's turned out well. Right. And it's live, so it's like, I hope it's turned out well.
Absolutely. Now, you guys have been slogging it out in terms of just practicing and rehearsing. Glamour business, it seems that it's all just nice and picturesque and all those factors. But it's a lot of hard work. Would you like to share some experience?
I think I've started respecting a lot of people's hard work and a lot of aspects of filmmaking after coming into this industry. I think जब हम ऑडियंस की तरह देखते हैं तो हमें सब ग्लैमर दिखता है और दिखता है अरे ये तो हॉलीडे कर रहे हैं उनको तो डांस करने के पैसे मिल रहे हैं एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट बट आई थिंक there's so much that goes behind filmmaking, whether it's the art department or the small details, the costume के room कैसा होना चाहिए and all of that. Filmmaking, whether it's the art department or the small details, the costume के room कैसा होना चाहिए and all of that. From the lightman to the spot person to the DOP, everyone works so hard for just one scene which passes off in like seconds. Similarly, I think even other aspects, whether it's performing on stage, of course it's live in front of such a huge audience and you can't make mistakes and you have to give it all. You have to give all your energy out there. Sometimes the stage is slippery, sometimes it's very tough to sort of move on. But you really have to smile and give all the lovely expressions where inside you're like, ah.
No, absolutely. Okay, Rapta, your performance was outstanding. Maybe the writing is something that at times one becomes handicapped with as well. But as a performer, do you feel that you've risen yourself as a performer?
I think
histrionics, there were a lot of varieties. What you portrayed.
Yeah, I think also probably it gave me a lot of scope to perform in terms of the range that the characters had. I think firstly दो characters थे तो मैं पहली बार 2 characters एक film में play कर रही थी. But apart from that, each character was not just a simple character. It was not a simple girl next door. There were some complexities in both the characters. So I think for me, I'm trying right now, because I'm not from a film background, I've not done theatre, I've not done other things. So I'm just trying to learn through films while working, learning on the job, becoming better. And I do feel the change. I hope that it resonates with the audience. Like, I hope the audience also feels the change in me. Because I think growing as an actor is the most important thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Your next director, I think, is a wonderful writer-director. So I'm sure that people should be looking forward to that. Your birthday is just around the corner. What are your plans?
Yes. I have no plans right now. I think Bareilly ki Barfi promotions are going to start. So I don't know whether I'll be promoting on my birthday or not. But it's going to come out soon, within a week.
Within a week's time?
Yeah.
Okay, so happy birthday and enjoy yourself. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
हाँ भी तो like
मुन्ना माइकल का कोई स्टेप हो सकता है आज वहाँ पर स्टेज के ऊपर का?
नहीं मेरे से तो वही आता है, ये वाला ही आता है जो आपके सामने किया था मैंने वो.
कभी परफॉर्म नहीं करेंगे स्टेज पे क्या?
मैं परफॉर्म नहीं करूँगा. मुझे तो स्टेज पे जाते ही मेरी हालत ख़राब हो जाती है. परफॉर्म क्या करूँगा मैं.
नवाज भाई, हम लोगों ने पहले भी इसके बारे में बात करा है. कहीं ना कहीं आपको अवार्ड के साथ में आपके साथ में नाइंसाफ़ी होती है. आपको कैसा लगता है कि दैट आपको परफॉर्मेंस
होती थी, इसलिए मैंने आस छोड़ दी अवार्ड की. अब मैं खुश हूँ. मैं तो यहाँ पे अपनी फिल्म को प्रमोट करने के लिए आया था एक्चुअली, बाबा मुशाहिद बंदोबस्त. बट अवार्ड का ये है क्योंकि लाइक आईफा, क्योंकि इस मामले में बहुत अच्छा है, एक यूनिकनेस है, क्योंकि हर कंट्री में जाके होता है, तो एटलीस्ट वहाँ के लोगों में थोड़ी फिल्म को लेके एक एक्साइटमेंट बढ़ता है, तो वो अगले साल काम आता है. तो मे भी शायद फाइनेंस में बहुत इजाफा होता है इसकी वजह से, क्योंकि हर जगह एक अवेयरनेस फैलती है आईफा से.
तजुर्बा कैसा है? जिस तरीके से आपको मॉबिंग हुई है यहाँ पर, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में?
तो सबकी हो रही है, मैं इसमें अकेला तो नहीं. अच्छा लगता है, वही मैं जैसे मैंने बताया कि वो एक मोटिवेशन मिलता है, आपके काम को अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, उसकी वजह से एक मोटिवेशन मिलता है लोगों से, और उसकी वजह से आप आगे काम करते हैं पूरा एनर्जी के साथ।
कुछ टाइगर श्रॉफ के बारे में बताना चाहेंगे? आपके नेक्स्ट को स्टार है मुन्ना माइकल के।
टाइगर इज़ अमेजिंग एक्चुअली, और चूँकि उसने मुझे डांस सिखाया तो मेरा गुरु है, और बहुत ही अमेजिंग डांसर है। आई थिंक वर्ल्ड में मतलब ऐसे डांसर होना मतलब बहुत मुश्किल होता है। वो हर चीज़ हिला देता है अपनी, और कमांड है उस पर अपना पूरे बॉडी का।
Neerja wins everything. So
can we have say Sonam Kapoor winning as well? Do you see that possibility?
Why not? I hope so. But she's not here though. Shabana ji can't lose. That's for sure. So I don't know about anything else. The only thing that's sure is that Shabana Azmi will win Best Supporting Actor, because I can't imagine anyone else winning it. It is one of the great performances I think in cinema. And she called me after the movie release. She's saying, she said, Atul, मैं तुम्हें डांटूंगी और बहुत मारूंगी. I said, what did I do, Shabana ji? He said, no, people are calling me and congratulating me like it's a debut performance. He said, जैसे कि अर्थ और मासूम की बात मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं, and it's all the way here, which is unbelievable. I'm like,
you had all the wonderful intentions for making the film, and with all this court case going on right now, is it like a bit of a things are in a bad taste?
Not at all. I've actually released a statement to that effect. And that's really all there is to say. There is something that was signed 3 years ago, which the brothers are completely aware of, and it's signed, and a studio like Foxstar is not going to take on a project of that size unless all the paperwork is completely solid. And solid, I mean, it's gone through some half a dozen different lawyers. So I really don't know what the reasoning behind is, but everybody has their own reasons for doing whatever it is that they do, and then we have to do what we have to do to counter it in the most sensible legal manner, which we will do. So
because what you guys are saying in terms that they're asking for money, but what they are saying is they're asking for the money for charity in the name of need.
Look, whatever it is that's due to you will come to you. What you do with it is really up to you. You know what I mean? So I don't really, they can keep it themselves. It doesn't matter. So it doesn't change anything whether it is for one purpose or the other. There's a certain amount that is due, that's according to the paperwork, which has been offered many times, and they've chosen to dispute it, which is a shame, but that's how it is.
What are you doing next, bro?
We finished shooting for Tumhari Sulu, which is with Vidya, and it's releasing December 1st. That's a co-production with T-Series, and I'm really happy with the filming of it, and we're hoping that does well. I like looking for spaces that I feel are vacant, and Neerja, for example, the simple one line for me in my head was, a hijack film hasn't really been made, let's make a hijack film. That's it. Okay. Later on, when you investigate, it turns out that it's a great mother-daughter story against the backdrop of a hijack. But the first line is this. So over here, I feel that Rishi Das, you ask anybody about, name your 30 favorite films of all time, and any Hindi film buff will name 2-3 of Hrishikesh Mukherjee's films. List mein honge for sure. And I think that gentle, excellently written urban slice of life comedy has not been done for a long time. We thought we'll do it.
Bhushan ji.
This is my amazing co-producer who has backed Tumhari Sulu. I'm just telling her Sulu. And all he said is, after Neerja, I'm backing whatever you're doing.
Sir, Bhushan ji.
Amazing list of films that have been.
Yeah.
Received. A long slate for you?
Yeah, big slate. But right now we are looking forward to Badshah, which is a very special film to us. Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah, Mughal is our dream project. I can't express anything about it because it's very, very emotional and very connected to us. No, we can't. We are not doing that. We are casting other people for that.
So you have a unique, I think, combination of writer-director. He's an excellent writer-director, and Akshay Kumar, I think, who's really experimenting a lot. Do you feel that the fact that you have a good writer and director, and then a very fine actor, that makes it that the human side will come forth in a wonderful manner?
That's very, very important actually for a film, and especially for a film which we are making on my father. you need that kind of character which should have a similarity on his lifestyle. You know, means like what my father used to do. There are many things which Akshay Kumar is similar to. He's Punjabi. He is a devotee of Mata Vaishno Devi. He has many similarities. So those things are very important, and the person who knows the ground, like a director, as you were asking about. So he is from the ground. आपको जैसे सुभाष कपूर हैं, उनको तो ग्राउंड लेवल की है. अगर उनकी जॉली LLB 1, जॉली LLB 2 में अगर आप वो चीज़ देखेंगे जिस तरीके से उन्होंने मास को कनेक्ट किया है, that is very, very important for Mughal, and I think he will be very good for that.
Sir, Gulshan ji was amazing with music as well. Do we see vignettes of his songs at that point of time, 90s songs as well, part of the movie as well?
Yeah, it will be, because there will be a sequence, because my father used to, dance on his daughter's birthday party on great numbers of our own. So that will be a very interesting visual which we'll be putting in the film. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So looking forward to the night tonight?
Yes, how are you doing? Very well. Yeah. I think you can see me performing when I do films in which there are songs.
Okay, okay. Richa, you also expressed your opinion about various social issues. How important is it for you to just speak your mind out?
I can't help it actually. Many people tell me not to do it, but I'm quite honest, so I don't know what else to do. But it totally depends on the kind of person you are. If you don't want to comment on social things, you don't have to. What about it? It's done. It'll release on the 8th of December. Thank you.
Hi, you're looking really, I think, interesting in terms of your attire. Could you please tell us?
Interesting is an interesting word. Okay. Well chosen. Yeah, this is designer called Dushyant Astana. Yeah, yeah.
Seeing you experimenting with your looks.
Yeah.
There's only one actor who stands out with a lot of experimentation.
Yeah, I'm pretty conservative with the colors I wear.
Abhay, you have this knack of speaking your mind out, even the fairness cream, the entire debate that you took it up. Do you at times feel a bit unsure about the fact that this industry it tends to just block out people in a strange sort of manner as well?
I didn't understand the question.
Primarily, what I'm trying.
Fairness cream. What are you talking about? Oh, are they endorsing it without thinking of the consequences? That's what you're trying to say. I mean, you've seen the ads. What do you think? I think the answer is in front of you.
What I'm trying to primarily say is that people have egos actually, and they tend to take it the other way instead of just understanding that maybe it's not a good idea and they should understand.
I don't focus on those things. It doesn't play in my mind. Whatever is whatever. Yeah.
What are you doing next? What are you doing next in movies?
It's a science fiction Canadian film in Hindi. I'll tell you more about it later.
Maji Media, Indian media.
I'm good, sir. Yes. 1 minute, I just
Indian media. Okay, you're looking amazing tonight.
Hug the air. Thank you.
Okay, looking forward to the evening tonight. Looking forward to the evening tonight.
Yes, absolutely. It is wonderful. It's New York. IFA is happening in New York for the first time. Great energy, great people, and we have some great performances lined up with super hosts, right? Karan and Sam.
How was the experience of yesterday? It was not an easy night because of the rain and all the logistics happening.
It was by far my most difficult time hosting because we were unsure with the weather. When we walked in, the seats were wet, the floor was wet, it was raining, everyone's very nervous as to what's going to happen. But we went backstage and we thought the show must go on, and that's the IFA spirit. So we believed in that it'll all happen well, it'll go well, don't worry. And I've hosted IFA 4 times before, this is my 5th time. And when we went out there, we started the show. It drizzled. We didn't know how people were going to react. But look at the management of IFA. They kept these small raincoats right below every chair. If it rains, you could wear them, and people wore them, and they sat there. And that was the most surreal experience. That even in the rain, even with A.R. Rahman Saab playing his genius on stage, it was just amazing. It was amazing. It was amazing. It was amazing. I think music was happening everywhere. It was just floating. It was some surreal experience. What happened to that now? Sajid would be Sajid Nadiadwala has said that he would definitely make part 4. I think any kind of official announcement should come from Nadiadwala.
What about Shivaji? What is the latest on Shivaji?
Work is on, script is almost done, so pre-production is on. Hopefully we'll go on soon. Supposed to be? Why supposed to be? He is.
That's amazing. I mean, his next is changing the way Indian cinema and the world is working.
But I think, web content in that sense is incredibly powerful, because also the lack of censorship and the lack of controls, like television has so much control on it. And this is a free environment where I think the world's top talent is coming together and creating art. I think in many ways the creativity of films is being overtaken by these guys, so it's definitely the place to be, and I'm super excited with the quality of the show.
And the iFest, obviously you're hosting it tonight.
Yeah.
Very exciting. It's happening in New York. What changes do you think that you want in Hollywood and Bollywood?
Well, especially it's happening in New Jersey, which is not really New York, but it's great.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
What changes do you feel that Hollywood and Bollywood needs to make by working stars across a lot?
Well, I think Hollywood is an international arena where hopefully and eventually top talent from all over the world can go and come into sort of a melting pot. India is still specific to its culture and its type of movies, so they're slightly different, but it's very possible with people breaking those barriers to go forward, and I'm sure in the future you'll be seeing Indian actors more and more.
Saif, 1 minute. Saif, 1 minute.
Hello. Hi, Fardun.
Excited for show?
Okay. Okay, I need to leave. What? Sorry, yeah.
Excited for the show tonight?
Yes, very much. Yeah, looking forward to it, and I think it's going to be great. I'm rooting for myself to host very well. Thanks very much. Thank you.
Faridun.
Oi! Sorry, I didn't
How are
see
you?
you properly.
No problem. How are you?
Hi, how's it going? Yeah, how's it going?
So are you just rooting for Kapoor and Sons tonight?
No, yaar, I'm rooting for everyone. Now it's been long enough for the movies to have come out. Now I have no real thing. I'm just here having a good time.
What are you doing next?
I'm writing right now. No, I mean, I would not like to repeat it. So let's see. I mean, it's a human interest story. So I mean, I don't know. It'll get somewhere. Don't worry. It won't be an action or a sci-fi. I can tell you that.
How do you take this bold step? Because I've wanted to speak to you for a long period of time after watching the movie. You're actually having a very progressive idea of you're showing relationships which can be judged very, very easily as well, but you're still showing them in a very humane manner, and universally people have accepted that. So you're walking a tightrope. What's your process like when you're writing it?
I don't think I'm thinking so much. Maybe that's why. I'm not thinking so much about like what's right, what's wrong. I'm just trying to write what I connect with. So then, because I'm not overthinking it, I always believe that if I write something, I give it to Karan. Karan's the guy who kind of can always tell me, how hectic it is. He always reads it and says, don't worry, I know this is tough, but if we make it under a certain budget, then maybe we can make it work.
Someone like Rishi Kapoor, what you managed to just get out from him, he told us that he had differences. He has with everyone actually, but how as a director, how important it is for you to just have that patience level to just withstand almost.
I mean, I guess there's always friction sometimes on set, and as far as it is for the good of the film, I think it really helps. With Rishi sir, there were differences and there are no secrets about it, but I think he's been so great, accepted the film and loved the film, and he gave so much to the film. So I guess it's all right. As far as I said, man, as far as it's all for the betterment of the film, I mean, there are no problems.
Now, you started off as an actor in a way. We've spoken about that in the past as well. How important is it for someone like Karan Johar, the way he backs talent when they are at a very, very nascent stage, and he's making brands in their own right. He's not picking up like that. This one is a horse which is working, and then he's just banking on that. He's actually at a nascent stage. He's just picking up. How much of is important for you as a creative person to get that sort of mentorship?
Oh, absolutely. I think he's one of the best mentors we have in the Hindi film industry, and he really knows how to back talent and how to give confidence to people who are just starting out. I remember I was just starting out, and he was just, he's such a strong producer that you can really let let go of a lot of worries. You know, you can just make a film, concentrate on making a good film, and you know, rest is taken care of. The distribution, the marketing, the release, you know, all of that would be just completely ace. And I think I feel sad for anybody else who's trying to, you know, start out making movies in other ways, because it can be very, very difficult. But I think I've been very, very lucky to have a mentor like him, and things have really been great for me so far.
Are you in touch with Fawad Khan?
Yes, I spoke to him yesterday, and I really miss him. I wish he was here. Last year we were both together at IFA. We had a great time, so yeah, I wish he was here. But unfortunately, we all know what happened. You know, things that happened were unfortunate, and now let's hope in the long run both the countries can again become friends, and there can be more, you know, collaboration between the two nations.
Thank you. Looking forward to your next.
All right, man. Thanks a lot, buddy. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks. Bye.
Siddharth sir. Siddharth sir. One bite. How are you?
कैसा भाई?
बहुत बढ़िया कैसा?
बहुत बढ़िया यार, बोल ना.
You are looking dashing.
Thanks, bhai. All I want to say is, well, I'm a big fan of Bollywood Hungama. I watch your interviews. I really like it. I think you're very, very cool. You have also been instrumental, Bollywood Hungama, to bring Bollywood on a global platform, because YouTube people follow you guys. So thank you so much.
Sir, we are here to talk about you. How's been the experience? Looking forward to tonight?
Yes, of course. ये मेरा I'm looking forward to Salman Khan, because वो हमेशा कहते रहते हैं कि मुझे dancing नहीं आती, मुझे ये नहीं आता. He always underplays himself before a performance, and that's what I like, because when you underplay and over-deliver, it always works.
Absolutely.
And of course, I'm looking forward to Varun Dhawan as well. With that kind of energy, the way Varun talks, moves, jumps, we're all going to be out of business. And of course, the chemistry that Katrina has with Alia, I hope to see both of them together as well. But most importantly, New York fans have that kind of energy, man, which makes me believe that Bollywood is going to be coming on again and again in United States of America.
You rocked at IFA Storm, bro.
Thank you so much, man. It was great to see so many people from all across the world coming and supporting Indian films in Times Square. More than 25,000 people, more than me rocking it. That gave me a high. Imagine people coming from various parts, Afghanistan, America, New Zealand, Austria, and saying we love Indian movies, man. So that was a matter of pride. And thank you so much, yeah.
Anytime. Love you. Love you.
Thank you, bye.
Love you. Take care. Take care.
I'm good, thank you.
You're looking very nice.
Thank you so much.
Looking forward to the night tonight?
Yes, very excited about my nomination and the whole show together. So,
Whom are you rooting for tonight?
everyone. I mean, I don't think there's one person. So,
Urta Punjab has been nominated, I think, very nicely. Your song has been hugely successful as well. Looking forward to maybe Alia winning it for Urta Punjab?
I hope so. I hope so. For sure.
Can you sing anything for us tonight?
डर डाडा डसे वे और मंजिल हंसे वे डर डाडा डसे वे और मंजिल हंसे वे हाय.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. बहुत बढ़िया. आप कैसे हो सर?
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope there is. I mean, I don't know about TRPs, but I know one thing for a fact that it's impacted a lot of people. And a common man, when he comes up to you and says, "Sir, कैसे टास्क थे और कैसे लोग हैं?" I say, "आप लोग कैसे हो यार? वो हर चीज़ करते हैं." So I think brilliant as far as impact goes. So I'm sure they'll come up with season 2.
So, gentlemen, the trailer is looking fantastic.
Yeah.
Just talk now.
I think, I have a cameo. I'm playing a cameo, but an important one, something that I'm excited about. 3.5 years, a sabbatical for 3.5 years, and coming back after 3.5 years. Looking forward to my journey henceforth. Got other films also that I've signed, and looking forward to start soon.
So Atiya's movie is coming up, Mubaraka, and it's getting, I think, a very good tracking as well. How excited are you as a father?
Very excited, and I heard y'all had too much masti when. I know. And she was laughing about it, and y'all imitated me too. But not you. I'm kidding. My daughter does it all the time. So, but I heard it was brilliant, but fantastic, good. I'm looking forward to it because the music is good and it looks like a fun film. It's an entertaining film, and that's what we are all looking for. And Anees Bazmi is dangerous when he gets into comedy. And again, for me, it's like my Gopi Kishan, Mubaraka, because it's a double role. Tonight. it's always Salman. And ask me why? Because he's choreographed, but when he goes on stage, he choreographs. So he always does something different. Ahan's debut should be by the end of the year, hopefully. Worked on a good script and looking forward to it. And Sajid Bhai and Fox, so I think a great combination.
Thank you, sir. You're looking great.
Thank you.
Nice to see you together.
Yeah, I saw your posts and all that.
Nice to see him. Yes, your
Times Square, no?
And representing the confraternity because he is the elder sort of generation.
And he's happy to be here because Anand is going to be stepping into the industry with obviously mentor Sajid Bala and Salman, both of them together. So I think it's really very special to work very, very hard. It's going to be tough, but he has a great support system. They're all behind him. And I think he works really hard, and I think he's learned a lot from his father, so that's going to take him a long way.
I never thought of making a cameo or anything from your side. I mean,
me?
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Faridoon Shahryar with cameraman Farooq Jilani here at IFA Awards Green Carpet 2017 in New York for Bollywood Hungama News Network. Keep on watching.